Okay, amigos, we're going to talk about making words plural. Most words in Spanish, most nouns, are going to end in a vowel. Remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Those are the vowels. In English, Y can sometimes be a vowel, sometimes be a consonant. But in Spanish, no, full-time consonant for Y. Forget about it. El perro ends in O. La casa, there's your A. El elefante. All of these guys end in vowels. To make these plural, super simple, you just add a S. The L would become los, perro would become perros. Beautiful. La would become las, casa becomes casas. Super simple, just like in English, we just add a S. El would become los, elefante would become elefantes. Okay, cool. Now we see some other words that do not end in vowels. These end in consonants. Remember, if you're not a vowel, you're a consonant. We have instances where we do this in English, the thing I'm about to show you, I mean. To make the word box in English plural, we have to add in ES. Mostly it's just about the sound, box. It's already kind of making that sound, box. So if we just put box, that would be weird. Boxes. It just kind of separates the sounds. Same thing here. In Spanish, árboles doesn't sound good. So they're going to say árboles. We're going to put an ES. L again becomes los, árbol, árboles. ES. Estación, la becomes las, estación becomes estaciones. Flor become las flores. And el sol, los soles. ES, super simple. If you see a consonant on the end, you add an ES. Now comes everybody's favorite part, the exception to the rule, the extra rules, the special rules. Here we go. El ajedrez. This guy, the Z. Oh, here's a word you know that ends in a Z. El lápiz. Right? Yeah. Take a second. Do you remember what happens with the Z? If you're saying just add an ES, you're most of the way there. You're right. We are going to add an ES. El becomes los. This doesn't make super sense. Ajedreces. Los. Lápices. But there is one more thing. The rule is you're never allowed to write Z followed by E. Z, E. If you ever have this, you have to make a change. This is going to come up later. It comes up a bunch of times in Spanish. The deal is if you're writing a word and you're writing it correctly, and as you're writing it, you write Z-E, change the Z to a C. The Z turns into a C. That's all it is. So we're going to go back and change ajedreces, which by the way means chesses. Chess like the game. Yeah, I don't know when you would ever say this. Ajedreces. Lápices, pencils. So we would say this one all the time. This is actually a common one. Lápices. Look how terrible that C is. I have bad handwriting. I'm super sorry, you kids. That's everything about making words plural.